Royal Consolidation. Place face down on round effect, reveal before selecting any future starting card, and add a faction icon to that card, only if the card does not already have a faction icon. So, a few turns ago, I played Royal Consolidation face down, and now I reveal it because I want to play it on this turn. So, what can we do with it? It says we can add a faction icon to any card in the neutral area. So, that does not have a faction icon. So that means I can add it to this 5, the 10, this 5, 12, but I can't add it to see the 5 and the ones that already have it. So I'm going to take this 5 and add it to it because that's going to let me take this 10 for +2, -1, I'll move this 8 back, and +1 black, I can take this 12 as well. And so then you would draw as normal into your faction hand, and you would play. This Royal Consolidation, very simple.